Hi everyone, myself Sai Mridula from JNQA. In this video, I am going to explain you about one of the best efficient simple sorting algorithm, insertion sorting algorithm. Before going into our topic, let's briefly discuss what is sorting, what's the use of it, and how it is done by using insertion sorting algorithm. And also, let's see how algorithm works for it, how to develop the code for the insertion sorting algorithm. First, let's discuss what is sorting. Sorting is a process of ordering individual elements of a list according to their proper rank, either in ascending or descending order. For example, if we are given an array of elements in some irregular manner, arranging them in a particular order is nothing but sorting. A programming logic with few steps which can sort a bunch of elements are called sorting algorithms. Different types of sorting algorithms have different logics and steps. Here in this picture, as we observe, we have given some alphabets in some unsorted list. In sorting, we will have a pair of sorted list and a pair of unsorted list. Sorting is nothing but arranging them from an unsorted list to a pair of sorted list. As we observe the left side, they are given as B, C, D, A, means they are a pair of unsorted list. And at the right side, as you observe, at the right top, they are placed in ascending order as A, B, C, D, and at the right bottom, they are placed in descending order as D, C, B, A. This is nothing but sorting. Let's have some introduction to sorting. Here is some introduction to sorting. The process of sorting can be explained as a technique of rearranging the elements in any particular order which can be set ready for further processing by the program code. Not only insertion sorting, we have many types of sorting methods available. Let's see what are those types of sorting methods. Types of sorting methods: selection sort, bubble sort, quick sort, merge sort, radix sort, heap sort, insertion sort. In this video, I'll explain you why insertion sort is better comparable to the other sorting methods, what's the main use and advantage of the insertion sort, and how can we develop the algorithm and code for the insertion sort. Insertion sort. It is a simple, efficient sorting algorithm that creates the final sorted array one element at a time. It is usually implemented when the user has a small data. The main advantage of insertion sort is its simplicity. It also exhibits a good performance when dealing with a small list. The insertion sort is an in-place sorting algorithm, so the space requirement is minimal. Insertion sort has a best case running time that we can later discuss on time complexity of insertion sort. Insertion sort is said to be stable if two objects with equal keys appear in the same order in sorted output as they appear in the input unsorted array. Means the insertion sort is stable by the nature. It is also one of the advantage of the insertion sort. In this case, unstable sort generate problems. The main principle behind the insertion sort is it takes one element, iterate through the sorted array and find its correct position in the sorted array. Insertion sort works in a similar manner as we arrange a deck of cards. I think we are all well familiar about the playing of cards. How we arrange them as king, queen, jack up to the ace in their correct position. In the same way, if the array of elements are given in some irregular manner, we'll arrange them in the correct position. At the bottom, I displayed a picture where the card number 3 is going to be inserted after the card number 2. Means here the card number 3 is found its correct position and placed in a sorted pack of cards. This is nothing but insertion sorting. Here is some brief working of insertion sort. How the insertion sort takes place and what's the main principle behind the insertion sort. If you read, you will completely understand how the insertion sort takes place. Now let's see what's the algorithm for the insertion sort. Algorithm is a process of sequential steps. Coming to the algorithm of insertion sort. Step 1. If the element is the first one, it is already sorted. Step 2. Move to the next element. Step 3. Compare the current element with all elements in the sorted array. Step 4. If the element in the sorted array is smaller than the current element with which we are comparing, iterate to the next element. Otherwise, shift all the greater element in the array one position towards the right. Step 5. Insert the value at the correct position. Step 6. Repeat until the complete list is sorted. An algorithm is better understandable when we trace it with an example. Let us trace this algorithm with an example. Tracing the algorithm with the example. Here we are given the numbers in an order of 122, 17, 93, 3, 36. We need to sort them. Here we'll have sorted list and unsorted list. We'll consider the first element 122 as sorted and remaining as unsorted. Here the index for these numbers as I equal to 0 for 122, I equal to 1 for 17 and respectively up to I equal to 4. Since 17 is smaller than 122, we will move 122 to the position of 17 and insert the 17 before 122. In the next step, they will follow as order of 17, 122, 93, 3 and 36. When I equal to 2, 93 is smaller when compared to 122. So, we'll move 122 towards the position of 93. Here there is one thing to remember. We will not directly place 93 in the place of 122. We need to check up to the 0th location. As 17 is smaller when compared to the 93, we will fix 93 after the number 17. In the next step, the order is as follows: 17, 93, 122, 3, 36. When the index number I equal to 3, here we have the number 3 at the index number I equal to 3. 3 is smaller compared to 122. So 122 takes the position of 3. And we will not directly place there 3. So we will check the 3 with all the numbers up to the 0th index. On checking, 3 is small when compared from 17 to 122. So the all other elements from 17 to 122 will move one step ahead of their current position. Next, the order is as follows: 3, 17, 93, 122, 36. I equal to 4. We have 36 at I equal to 4. 36 is smaller compared to 122. So 122 takes the position of 36 and we'll compare up to the 0th index. So 36 is smaller compared to 93, but 36 is greater when compared to 17. So we will place after the 17 this 36. Finally, we have the array in this sorted order. By the following example, I think we can clearly understand how the insertion sorting takes place. This is known as tracing of an algorithm. You can refer to the below image to understand how insertion sort works from the first step to the final step. Moving to the logic. Yes, here is the logic for the program. Here we will be having two loops. For loop will be the outer loop and while loop will be the inner loop. Here I'll explain this logic by taking the example of first step in which 122 takes the position of 17 and how 17 is inserted. So here remember I equal to 1. As we are repeating the for loop, it starts from 1 because the index number is compared with the previous one. Temp equal to a of I. Here I equal to 1. So temporary variable will have the value of 17. As we are comparing with the previous one, I minus 1 will be stored in j. In the while loop, it should satisfy these both conditions. As here I am taken I equal to 1, j equal to I minus 1 means j equal to 0. So it satisfies the first condition. Moving to the second condition. A of 0 is greater than temp. In temp we have 17 and a of 0 means 0th index number 122. As 122 is greater than 17, 122 takes the position of 17. So a of j plus 1 equal to a of j. And again we will come to the zeroth index in the backward direction, so we'll write j equal to j minus 1. Then j equal to 0 minus 1. We have j equal to minus 1. Again repeating the while loop. J greater than or equal to 0. Here minus 1 is less than 0. So while loop will be terminated. And it takes the next step. A of j plus 1 means here a of j is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is a of 0. A of 0 equal to temp. What is the temp value? 17. So a of 0 equal to temp. A of 0 equal to 17. So 17 gets to the first position. This is one iteration. In the same way, all elements will be executed with the same code. And here is the code for the insertion sorting. We'll write this code by using the logic. We'll have the printf statements and the logic here. Continues. Let's move to the output, how it will be printed. Following will be the output of the program if we run the code. We'll have the printf statements as enter number of integers. For the example, we have 5 integers, so enter 5 integers. What are those integers? 122, 70, 93, 3, 36. Sorted list in ascending order, which are sorted by using the insertion sorting algorithm. The output will be as 3, 17, 36, 93 and 122. In this way, we will get the output if we run the program. Time complexity. The time complexity of an algorithm signifies the total time required by the program to run till its completion. The time complexity of algorithm is most commonly expressed using the big O notation. Running time of algorithm on a particular input is the number of primitive steps that are used in execution. Running time is an important thing to consider when selecting a sorting algorithm, since efficiency is often thought in terms of speed. Insertion sorting is a sorting algorithm that builds a final sorted array one element at a time. While sorting is a simple concept, it is a basic principle also used in computer programs, complex computer programs such as file search, data compression, and path finding. Coming to the time complexity of the insertion sort. At first look, it seems like insertion sort would take big O of n square times, but it actually takes big O of n time. If we analyze input carefully, we see that every element is only one position away from its position in sorted array. The outer for loop will run till n and inner while loop would take constant steps of one swap and two comparisons. Since while loop takes constant time and for loop for n element, so the overall complexity is big O of n. Here, this is a table representing best, average, worst cases of time complexity of insertion sorting algorithm. That's it. This is my video about insertion sorting algorithm.